Hi, it's Tim at Engine Factory. We just finished building this beautiful 427 Ford 540 horsepower turnkey package engine with the Holley Sniper fuel injection for our customer's 1967 Bronco 4x4. Go over some of the highlights on our engine build. We started with a brand new block, 4-bolt main block, all Ford steel internals, brass freeze plugs. We have the proper oil pan for the 67 Bronco 4x4, the rear sump oil pan, braided dipstick and tube. We have the AFR aluminum cylinder heads on there, all the roller rock arms fully adjusted and set. It's real nice Bronco valve covers, distributor set in place, aluminum intake manifold, MSD ignition coil, with the low profile air cleaner for the customer's hood clearance. Holley Sniper fuel injection system on there. We'll dial in the Holley Sniper fuel injection menu screen. We'll set it all up for the customer, all the settings, be ready to go when we test the engine. We have the oil pressure extension on there for oil pressure switch hookup, easy. Russell fuel line, inline gas filter. We have the proper automatic flex plate for the customer's transmission. Proper tooth count and balance for the 427 Ford. We have the PCV ventilation line on there, Russell. Manifold vacuum fittings on the intake manifold. March style track pulley kit, customer supplied, so we installed it for the customer. We have the AC compressor on there. The reverse rotation water pump. Alternators on there, one wire hookup alternator. Power steering pump. We'll get the remote reservoir set up. Every engine is live run at the Engine Factory and fully tested for over 45 minutes. You're going to get a video of your engine running in the stand. Manifold vacuum reading, water temperature, oil pressure cold and hot. Ready to go. So there you have it again, our 427 Ford 540 horsepower Holley Sniper fuel injection Bronco engine ready to go. Thanks for watching.